Namaskar. This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per the session of your curriculum of probability and random process, today we are going to discuss the topic. Please note down, and it is already present available on your portal also. Additional identities of Chebyshev polynomials. Yeah, please write additional identities of Chebyshev polynomial. And for the sake of convenience of your understanding, let me allow to share some details related to this topic. So, see here, additional identities of Chebyshev polynomial. I hope this topic is visible to you. Additional identities of Chebyshev polynomials. The Chebyshev polynomials are both orthogonal polynomials and trigonometric cos nx functions in disuse. Therefore, they satisfy a large number of useful relationships. I hope you have got it. The differentiation and integration properties are very important in analytical and numerical work. And here we are going to see that how this Pn plus 1 x is equal to cosine of n plus 1 cos inverse x, and Tn minus 1 is equal to cos n minus 1 cos inverse x. Differentiating both expression give, you can see here, by differentiating you can find that this cos is the function of this, so this will be differentiated with respect to this, and the differentiation of cos x, cos is minus sign, and cos inverse x is also a function, so it will be what? It will be minus 1 upon root under 1 minus x square, and I hope that it is clear by your side that how the differentiation of this is giving this. You have to just get differentiation of this function is this, and differentiation of this function is this. Now subtracting the last two expressions, and just by subtracting, you subtract from this to this, then this is the LHS and this is the RHS. I hope you can see this. And on simplification, you can find this result. And this is indicating to us the result that Tn dash T2 dash x T2 dash x T2 dash x is equal to 4T1, T1 dash x is equal to T0, and T0 dash x is equal to 0. We have the formula for the differentiation of Chebyshev polynomials. Therefore, these formulas can be used for develop integration for the Chebyshev polynomials, and see here the result. This is the integration of Tnx is this, and integration of T1x is this, and T0 x is this. Here you know that capital C is indicating here constant of integration. In case of indefinite integration, you know that after getting the result, we use something like constant of integration. So the next part of this should also try to understand that the six Chebyshev polynomials are what? For polynomials and numericals work, it is often convenient to use the half interval that lies between 0 to 1 instead of the full interval that lies between -1 to +1. For this purpose, the shifted Chebyshev polynomials are defined as you can see here. Tn star x is equal to Tn star 2x minus 1. Thus, we have for the first few polynomials T naught star is equal to 1, T1 star is equal to 2x minus 1, T2 star is this, and T3 star is this. In this way, you can see there is a series of, you can say, result, and that is of more significant and that is of more importance for you. So, students, I hope that you are getting this, and for your kind information, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query or in case of any confusion, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much for joining and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.